If you want to change your alarm sound on your Samsung Galaxy A26, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, you shall open up your clock application. Here, locate one of the existing alarms or create a new alarm. I'll choose one of the existing alarms and press on your alarm sound. Now, let's choose ringtone or Spotify if you want to set your favorite song to use as your alarm. Give all the necessary permissions, and in this menu you are to press plus at the top right corner. Choose the track and press done. Great, so now make sure to choose it. Also, you can enable your read time and alarm name allowed, and also gradually increase volume option. And this is your alarm sound trigger. And basically that's it. Let's go back. Simply press save. And now, as you see, our alarm sound is gonna be our presetted songs. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. And please consider subscribing to our channel.